Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to buy gems on this Stumble Guys game. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open your phone. And of course, if you don't have Stumble Guys on your phone, you'll need to go and download it. You can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. So once you actually did that or do that, all you need to do, just go and open the game. So you may notice that my game opens directly. Don't panic or anything. For me, I had it already opened, but for you, you will need to wait a bit until it loads to log in into your account or to create an account if it's your first time. Because this game, just download it, open it, and start playing. You don't need to log in or create your account or anything, unless you don't. If you want to get some older data. So of course, if you wanna play the Stumble Guys on your PC, I already have a tutorial explaining that on the channel on how to play Stumble Guys on your PC. So make sure to go and check it out if you are interested. So when you open Stumble Guys, that will actually be your home or your main screen. So as we said, if you want to buy some gems, simply you will see at the top right corner a gems icon. From that, you will see a plus icon at the top right corner of the gems icon. So just go and click on that, and as you can see here, we will have 4 packs if I want to buy gems. Of course, we have the 250, 800, 1060, 600, and 5000. And of course, if you buy these two last ones, you'll get some bonus of the other token. So of course, just go and choose whatever you want. Let's choose this as an example. And as you can see, that will just telling me to add now my debit card or credit card, or there is a second option to buy this in my country. So for you will need just to edit your debit card informations, add it here, click at save, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.